यूट्यूब आज की इस लेक्चर के अंदर हम देखेंगे सीएसआर नेट जो कि मार्च के अंदर हुआ था 2025 के अंदर, फरवरी मार्च के अंदर 2024 वाला दिसंबर रहा, उसके सीट वन के हम क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो a novel organism synthesizes protein using ribosome from the C terminal and the N terminal, and rather than the usual direction and to C E terminal, which main atom will be the nucleophile for the reaction टू द पेप्टाइड। तो वो आ जाता है नाइट्रोजन ऑफ द अमीन ग्रुप। ठीक है, कौन है नाइट्रोजन ऑफ द अमीन ग्रुप। फिर आता है citric TCA operate only in the presence of molecular oxygen. This is because O2 accept electron from the electron transport chain, allowing the oxidation of NADS to NAD. The coefficient of the following statement is true regarding beta oxidation. बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन के बारे में जो है फैटी एसिड ऑक्सीडाइज C3 पोजेंट रिमूव टू कार्बन न्यूट्रॉन। फिर देखो beta oxidation involves oxidation at the beta carbon CH3 carbon of fatty acid, leading to the removal of 2 carbon unit acyl coenzyme in each cycle. फिर आ जाता है which of the following type of interaction will be predominantly contribute to the stability of nucleosome. तो आता है electrostatic interaction involving DNA phosphate backbone and lysine residue of stones. फिर देखो प्योर फॉस्फोलिपिड के बारे में हमको बताना है CO2 एंड डाइथाइल यूरिया। फिर बाद के अंदर है द मेजर मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ हिस्टोन मॉलिक्यूल हैपन एट, तो एन टर्मिनल पे होता है। कहाँ पे होता है? एन टर्मिनल पे। देखो हिस्टोन मॉडिफिकेशन सच एज एसिटाइलेशन, मेथाइलेशन, फॉस्फोराइलेशन एंड ubiquitination primarily occur on the N terminal of histone. These tell direction outward from the nucleophone core and are accessible to various modifying agents, and terminal tail modifications regulate chromatin structural gene expression by influencing histone DNA interaction and recruiting chromatin modifying protein. The C-terminus tail and globular core are less accessible for modification as they are more involved in the structural integrity of the nucleosome. Modifications are not spread equally throughout the polypeptide rather than they connect concentrated on the flexible and terminal end, not phospholipid in mammalian plasma membrane. तो फोस्फोराइलिन मेजर नहीं है, फोस्फोराइलिन मेजर नहीं है, देखो बहुत ही कम है यहाँ पे। जबकि फोस्फोराइलिन भी है, स्फिंगोमाइलिन भी है और कोलेस्ट्रॉल भी है। फिर देखो डाइनिन इज अ माइक्रोटोबियल डिपेंडेंट मोटर प्रोटीन एसेंशियल फॉर सेलुलर प्रोसेस। इनकरेक्ट बताना हमको, तो इनकरेक्ट आ जाता है ट्रांसफर ऑर्गेनल इन इंट्रोग्रेड गलत हो जाता है, रेट्रोग्रेड में करता है। जबकि देखो इट हेल्प इन सिलियन फ्लैजिला बेटिंग, इसमें भी करता है। इट पार्टिसिपेट इन स्पिंडल असेंबली एंड पोजीशन एंडिंग इट इंटरैक्ट विद डायनेक्टिन एंड फॉर एफिशिएंट ट्रांसपोर्ट, ये भी हो जाता है सही। देखो डाइनिन इज अ माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल डिपेंडेंट मोटर प्रोटीन दैट इन्वॉल्व द माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल टुवर्ड द माइनस एंड retrograde transport. It play key role in various processes. Here have been salient flagella beaten participated in spindle assembly and positioning. It interacted with dynectin for efficient transfer organelle in anterogrowth direction. फिर देखे two type of mutant equilibrium identified in the package methylation mutant type of DNA is methylated of the GATC sequence as soon as the daughter DNA is synthesized. In second type B GATC sequence are never methylated. So mismatch repair can lead to accumulation of the type A greater than type B. देखो डीएनए बी जो है एमसीएम हेली MCM complex. DNA B helical converting DNA replication is functionally equivalent to the MCM complex in eukaryote. DNA C CDC6 in DNA C helical loaded, which is functionally similar to the CDC6. Beta clay processivity factor PC and the third beta clay increase the DNA polymerase process. It is similar to PCA polyprotein cell nuclear antigen in eukaryotes. DNA G primase polymerase alpha primase. DNA G is primary signaling RNA primer function equivalent to polymerase. a primase complex in eukaryotes. Etherena but RNA polymerase is incorrect. तो हुआ जाता है फर्स्ट आरएनए पॉलीमरेज सिंथेसाइज व्हाट इज 5.28 आरएनए। इसका ये गलत है, सी गलत होगा। आरएनए पॉलीमरेज सेकंड सिग्मा फैक्टर टू इनिशिएट ट्रांसक्रिप्शन, ये गलत है। आरएनए सेकंड सिंथेसाइज आरएनए पॉलीमरेज थोड़ा जो 5 एस आरएनए और टीआरएनए को बनाता है। देखो इसमें ये बी वाला गलत इनकरेक्ट है, नॉट ट्रांसलेशन इनहिबिशन इनहिबिशन न्यूक्लियोटाइड एडिशन resulting in incorporation of stem level structure in the mRNA stem the strand and गलना सीक्वेंस हो जाता है सही। न्यूक्लियोटाइड एडिशन resulting in the strand sequence being part of stem loop structure in the mRNA nucleotide expression of NIEIF2 mutant that mimic its phosphorylated state and mutation that lead to decrease in the processability of capping enzyme that leaves numerous mRNA developed cap enzyme. So the chemkinase second act as a material memory device as well as frequency decoder of calcium ion oscillation which involves the statement is correct. देखो chem second does not require calcium. chem second जो है वो बी गलत हो जाता है इसका। chem second activity increase the function of calcium plus frequency है। Available specific chem kinase second knocked mouse will have a difficulty in remembering where things are. The molecular memory function is lost is an autocorrelation defect chem second। फिर आ जाता है इसके अंदर स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग साइटोस्केलेटन इज इनकरेक्ट। साइटोस्केलेटन के बारे में इनकरेक्ट बताना है हमको। ट्यूबुलिन स्पेसिफिकली बाइंड्स एटीपी while actin binds preferentially to GTP जो भी रहता है गलत। Again, tubulin protein appear to have arisen from the single copy gene present before। फिर देखो ट्यूबुलिन स्पेसिफिक बाइंड टू एटीपी विद एक्टिन बाइंड टू जीटीपी को क्या कहता है। फिर ट्यूबुलिन relative forms of filamentous ring needed to effect cell division in certain prokaryotic species। हमारी वी एन एक्टिव relative form filamentous required for the cell shape in certain prokaryotic species। फिर देखो 2 हाइड्रोक्सी glutarate is structurally mimic alpha beta glutarate but there is no support enzymatic function instead it completely inhibit alpha kz dependent enzymes। The mutation in isosaccharides dehydrogenase first and second result in abnormal production of D2 hydroxy glutarate instead of alpha ketoglutarate रहता है। This का metabolite to hydroxy glutarate accumulating cancer cell and alter cellular metabolism। स्टेटमेंट अबाउट पेरिफेरल लिम्फ नोड इज इनकरेक्ट। पेरिफेरल के बारे में कौन सा गलत है। दे रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इम्यून रेस्पॉन्स एंड टू ब्लड बोर्न पैथोजन जो कोई रहता है गलत। दे कंटेन फाइब्रोब्लास्ट रेटिकुलर सेल्स that form a conduit system to guide cell movement। T cell encounter antigen presented on dendritic cell in the paracortex of lymph nodes। They contain a B cell in special areas called follicles। The peripheral lymph node primarily filter lymph and help initiate immune response to tissue-derived antigens, not blood-borne pathogens। Blood-borne pathogens are handled by the spleen। क्या बताना है हमको स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग म्यूटेशन इन द माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल ड्यूरिंग एजिंग इज इनकरेक्ट। तो म्यूटेशन रिड्यूसेस रोस प्रोडक्शन सिंस इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट इज फॉल्टी जो कि जाता है गलत। म्यूटेशन इन माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल जेनम लीड टू डिफेक्ट इन एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन जो कि होता है सही। म्यूटेशन रेट in mitochondria is much higher than that of in nucleus। There is an enhanced rate of apoptosis in cell with mutant mitochondria जो कि जाता है सही। फिर देखो the epigenetic regulator DME and media ME act as a directly to repress endosperm development in the absence of double fertilization during seed development in the apoptosis which one of the following incorrect enzyme regarding the function of DME and ME। तो DME is DNA glycosylase। ME या जो है हिस्टोन मिथाइल ट्रांसफेरेज। DME is DNA glycosylase involved in the demethylation of DNA, particularly in the central cell of the embryo sac, which is crucial for methylation demethylation engine implanting in the endospermia is a component of polypeptide complex to PRC2, which is involved in the histone methylation, especially in the regulation of gene expression through the histone modification. However, in media itself is not a directly described as histone methyl transfer। it a part of a complex that influence the spermatization. The regeneration of severed exalt limb is mediated by which one of the following cellular response to injury. तो वो हो जाता है ब्लास्टिमा फॉर्मेशन. फिर देखो which is the incorrect hierarchy of gene activity in early ड्रोसोफिला सेगमेंटेशन. पता है मैटरनल जीन, फिर आता है गैप जीन के बाद में पेर रूल जीन, मैटरनल गैप जीन आता है, फिर पेयर रूल जीन आता है, गैप जीन आता है, पेयर रूल जीन आता है, फिर सेगमेंट पोलैरिटी जीन आता है, फिर होम्योटिक जीन आता है. मैटरनल जीन है, फिर गैप जीन आता है, फिर पेयर रूल जीन आता है, फिर सेगमेंट पोलैरिटी जीन आता है, फिर होम्योटिक जीन आता है. कैसे सिंक्रोनाइज जीन एक्सप्रेशन इज मैटरनल गैप पेयर रूल सेगमेंट पोलैरिटी होम्योटिक जीन. फिर को भी जो the following event occur during the life reaction of photosynthesis and directly contribute the formation of ATP. तो आता है stimulation of protein agent along the thyroid membrane. ATP synthesis in the live reaction occurs via phosphor- phosphorylation which relies on the proton gradient created across the thyroid membrane. This engine drive ATP synthase converting ADP to ATP. ADP को किस में कन्वर्ट कर देता है? ATP में कर देता है. इनकरेक्ट बताना हमको इसके बारे में, ग्लाइकोक्सिलर साइकिल के बारे में. देखो ग्लाइकोक्सिलर साइकिल जो है ग्लाइकोक्सिसोम्स के अंदर पाई जाती है. स्पेशलाइज्ड क्या होता है ये? पेरोक्सिसम होता है, माइक्रोसोम के अंदर नहीं पाई जाती है. तो भी जाता है इट इज स्पेशल माइक्रोसोम कोल्ड ग्लाइकोक्सिसोम्स की जाता है एक ग्राम. ये जो ऑप्शन हार्मोन के अंदर ऑप्शन होता है दिस साइकिल अलाउ जैसे शुगर और फॉर फैटी एसिड. शुगर किससे बनती है? फैटी एसिड से बनती है. इट इन्वॉल्व्स एंजाइम ऑफ बोथ द ग्लाइकोक्सिसोम्स एंड द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, दोनों सही हो जाता है. Which one of the following vitamin B complex derivative constitute the chromophore of the blue light photoreceptor cryptochrome in plants. तो आता है B2 और B9. Cryptochrome in the plant flavin, adenine, dinucleo और tryptophan is a 5 to 10 methyl tetrahydrofolate derived from the vitamin B9. Folate is a chromophore for blue light absorption. FD is derived from vitamin B2 riboflavin, making these two beta complex vitamin essential for cryptochrome functions. फिर आता है which one of the following microbes is an obligate phytotrophs. तो आ जाता है Phytophthora infestans. Obligate phytotrophs as per as required a living host to complete their life cycle cannot grow or reproduce without it. Vaccinia graminis fungal pathogen that cause the stem rust in wheat and other grass. It is an obligate phytotroph, meaning it rely entirely on the living host for survival. देखो भी जो the following generator in skeletal muscle cell by the single quanta of a alcohol is released from the motor neuron terminate. तो होता है miniature endoplate system. In skeletal muscle cell motor nerve terminal lies released in choline in small quanta. Each quanta correspond to vesicle released spontaneously at the neuromuscular junction leading to slight depolarization of the muscle fiber membrane. The small depolarization is known as the miniature endoplate potential. Miniature MEPP are threshold when they do not trigger an action potential but indicate vessel neurotransmitter release when multiple quanta of lean are released simultaneously. They are generate a large endoplate potential EPP which can lead to an action potential and muscle contraction. Why other option is incorrect? देखो inhibitory postsynaptic potential occur in the neuron not in skeletal muscles. ये इनहिबिटरी जंक्शन पोटेंशियल फाउंड इन स्मूथ मसल, इस स्मूथ मसल के अंदर पाया जाता है, स्केलेटल मसल के अंदर नहीं पाया जाता है. एंडोप्लाज्मिक पोटेंशियल एज रिलीज कैन नॉट ड्यूरिंग inactivate stimulate causes EPP but a single quanta only a generate MEPP. फिर आ जाता है which one of the following blood cell type is formed from megakaryocyte during development of blood cell from bone marrow. होता है platelet. देखिए हमें मेगा कैरियोसाइट आर large bone marrow cells responsible for the production of platelet thrombocytes during blood cells development. Metapoiesis megakaryocytes undergo a process called thrombo thrombopoiesis where they fragment into thousands of small unnucleated platelets that enter the bloodstream. Why other option are incorrect? Monocytes derived from the major progenitor but not from the megakaryocyte. divergent into macrophages and dendritic cells. Neutrophils produce around granulocyte precursor, not megakaryocyte. Eosinophils are also born from granulocyte precursor, not megakaryocyte. Which of the following is statement about human chorionic gonotropic is incorrect? तथा it's a beta subunit is smaller than a संयोजक की जताया गलत. देखो एचसीजी ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन हार्मोन प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय प्लेसेंटा during pregnancy. It consists of two subunit alpha and beta. Alpha subunit are identical to the alpha subunit TSH, FSH or LH. Beta subunits come from biological specification to SCG and it is a larger than alpha subunit. Why other option is correct? SCG contain a galactose and hexosamine to SCG is glycoside. Is alpha subdivision identical in TSS2, SSG, THH, LH, and FIS share the alpha subdivision is primarily routinizing in nature to SSG mimic LH and maintain the corpus luteum during early pregnancy. Acetylcholine receptor is located in the nodal tissue of heart. तो वो हो जाता है CM2. कौन सा है M2? फिर देखो M2 muscular acetylcholine M2 is a predominantly found in the nodal tissue of the heart including the sinoatrial nodal and atrioventricular. Every node M2 is receptor are coupled to the protein which inhibit adrenaline cycles reducing camp levels. This will lead to decreased heart rate, negative chronotropic effect to decrease conduction velocity in the AV node, which is part of the parasympathetic vagus regulation of the heart. M5 found in the CNS, not heart. Pyrogynum nicotinic muscle type found in the skeletal muscle at the neuromuscular junction, not in the heart. M4 primarily found in the CNS, play a role in neurotransmitter. फिर देखो इसमें देखो हार्ड डिवीजन इन द जीनोटाइप फ्रीक्वेंसी आर कैलकुलेटेड यूजिंग द गिवन ए ये होमोजाइगस ए ए हेटेरोजाइगस हो गया द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ आई इज 0.3 0.9 और हेटेरोजाइगोट की अगर बात करें तो आ जाता है 2 PR 0.5 0.9 0.30 6 adding about total frequency of 0.9 plus 0.30 equals to 0.3939. That's the correct answer. C. The usual mutation of common in isolate mutations that leads that this mutation of xenon into 20 per minus or per cell lesion assuming that in E. coli culture was initiated from a culture density 1 into 10 to the power 12 and grown to density 1 into 10 to the power 6. How many leg gene mutation were expected in this mutation? तो आ जाता है से 100 आ जाता है लगभग. फिर देखो द डिजीज फिनाइल की जो है इज कॉज्ड बाय द फिनाइल डिहाइड्रोसिस एचपीएस इन दिस एग्जांपल ऑफ रिसेसिव म्यूटेशन व्हिच आर द फॉलोइंग टर्म बेस्ड डिस्क्राइब द वाइल्ड टाइप FOPS होता है हैप्लोसफिशिएंट फिनाइल कलोनिया इज कॉज्ड बाय द नल allele of the PN in leading to the loss of function in penile metabolism since the disease follow a recessive inheritance pattern individual with one function copy of PH heterozygous carriers do not develop PKU, indicating that a single function allele is sufficient to maintain a normal enzymatic activity. Is defined as efficiency where as one working copy of gene is enough for mutation function as enough function mutation would result in an excessive or new activity which is not observed in PKU. Epistasis involves gene induction with only little to be as a function and additional allele they would now partial dominance of PKU causes simple recessive inheritance has the wild type AH allele is haplosufficient. Immunity also will as gene causes a reduction in eye size when animals are grown at 29 degrees centigrade but not 18 degrees centigrade. This effect is observed even when the animal bears single copy of the mutation based on the formation. How can this mutation be described? तो आता है टेम्परेचर सेंसिटिव डोमिनेंट द mutation leads to a reduction in ice size at 29 centigrade but not 18 degrees centigrade, meaning its effect act is a temperature sensitive since the phenotype appears even when the animal have a single copy of the mutation. It is dominant temperature sensitive mutation causes phenotype only under a specific temperature condition and dominant mutation express their effect even in heterozygous individual. Therefore, the correct classification of the mutation is temperature sensitive dominant. So the 3.04 is for the India State Forest report is the percentage of cover with dense forest as compound of the country total geographical area is 3.04. फिर देखो the order cytos can be identified which one of the following characteristics. होता है leafless and rootless body with dichotomously branching stem. देखो the order cytos include primitive vascular plants such as cytosol commonly known as a whisk one. They have unique morphological characteristics including no roots. Instead, they have rhizomes with fungal association, mycorrhiza for nutrient absorption, no true leaves. They have a small scale-like structure instead of two leaves, dichotomous branching. They stem repeatedly forks into two equal branches, a primitive characteristics. फिर देखो सारा हडकाई a spiny-tailed lizard is a diurnal ground-dwelling species currently known and from an Indian subcontinent is endemic to which of the following habitat हो जाता है third desert of India. The Sara hard wiki formerly known as Zero Mystics. Hard wiki is commonly known as the Indian spiny turtle lizard. It is a diurnal active duty in the ground dwelling lizard that is endemic to arid and semi-arid region in India subcontinent. It is primarily found in the third desert of Rajasthan, Gujarat and part of Pakistan. This lizard prefers sandy and rugged desert habitat where they dig bow or to escape extreme temperature. They are herbivores and mainly feed on vegetation. Which of the following morphology character can help you differentiate leptosporangium from your sporangium? What are the number of cells from which the sporangium is formed? देखो इसके अंदर क्या होता है द की मोरफोलॉजी डिफरेंस बिटवीन लेप्टोस्पोरेंजियम यू स्पोरेंजियम फ्रॉम डायसन देयर स्पोरेंजियम डेवलप लेप्टोस्पोरेंजियम फ्रॉम डेवलप देयर फॉर स्पोरेंजियम फ्रॉम सिंगल इनिशियल सेल एंड थिन वॉल्ड स्पोरेंजियम प्रोड्यूस फ्यू स्पॉट टिपिकली 64 पर स्पोरेंजियम मोस्ट मॉडर्न फॉर्म आ जाता है पॉली polyploidio Isopsida belong to single group contrast used to develop from the sporangia or multi initial cell have a thicker wall sporangia and produce a large number of spores. Example include Ophioglossus, adders, tongue ferns, and Metatarsus giant fern. फिर आता है within a broad distributed taxonomic collects population and species of large size are generally found in colder environment, while population and species of smaller size typically found in warmer region. This is a observation. तो होता है बर्जमान्स rule. Where the body broadly distributed taxonomical population in species of larger size is generally found in a colder environment, while population and species of smaller size are typically found in warmer region. This observation is commonly referred to बर्जमान्स rule. फिर हमको बताना है एग्जाम्पल ऑफ करेक्टर डिस्प्लेसमेंट के बारे में बताना है टू सिंपेट्रिक बट डिवॉल्व डिस्टिंक्ट बीक शेप टू कंज्यूम सीड ऑफ डिफरेंट प्लांट्स ठीक है दिस एग्जांपल ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन्वॉल्व्स टू सिमिलर स्पीशीज बर्ड्स लिविंग इन द सेम एरिया सिंपेट्रिक एंड इवॉल्विंग डिफरेंट रेट बीक शेप टू रिड्यूस कंपटीशन फॉर रिसोर्स सीड ऑफ डिफरेंट plants. This is the classical example similar to Galapagos finches. Very big size variation allowed different species to exploit different food sources, thereby minimizing the competition. फिर देखो tectonic uplift can alter the draining pattern of river, thereby isolating the population of many species. Population isolated of this kind result from which one of the following process तो आ जाता है very population isolating result from tectonic uplift altering drains pattern is probably due to the due to the variance occurs when a geographical variance such as a change in range pattern caused by tectonic uplift divide a species range, leading to the isolation of population. This process can drive species and isolated population evolve independently over time. Whether which one of the following is the most significant factor that explain the evolution of Iteroperi in animals? फिर देखो reproductive environmental condition. And predictive environmental condition can directly support iteroperi, providing a stable condition for repeated reproduction. देखो dominant and recessive allele of the gene A respectively in thousand of इसमें 500 are small a and 500 are the are of other genotype. Which one of the following is the most likely combination of parental? तो वो आ जाता है ए और कैपिटल ए स्मॉल ए. फिर देखो what type of invertebrate fossils commonly found in the Spiti Valley of India? Spiti Valley of India are characteristic of the Cambrian era. तो है trilobites. In the Spiti Valley of India, the vertebrate fossil commonly found and characteristic of the Cambrian are trilobites. Trilobites were dominant group during a Cambrian period known for their diverse and resource presence in marine environment. Within the broadly distributed taxonomic population and species of larger size generally found in colder environment, while population and species are smaller size are typically found in warmer region. This observation is called जिसको बोलते हैं बर्जमान रूल बोलते हैं. फिर देखो मेराइन many marine mammals communicate over several kilometers in the ocean. This is due to होता है the higher density of water compared to air. देखो the ability of marine mammals to communicate over several kilometers in the ocean is primarily due to the higher density of water compared to air. The property allows sound to travel much faster and more efficiently through the water than through air. In water, sound travels at approximately 1500 meters per second, which is about 4 to 5 times faster than in air. This efficiency in sound propagation enables marine mammals to communicate effectively over long distance. Live vaccines are generally used to protect against which one of the following viruses होता है हेपेटाइटिस बी. हेपेटाइटिस ए यूज इन इनएक्टिव एक्टिविटी किल. ये जो है इनएक्टिव वायरस वैक्सीन नॉट लाइव. हेपेटाइटिस बी जो यूज है रिकॉम्बिनेशन सबयूनिट वैक्सीन नॉट लाइव. लाइव मेड फ्रॉम एसबीएस एजी प्रोटीन्स प्रोटीन्स. The rabies is ineffective virus vaccines are ineffective not alive. In multiplex the vaccine live attenuated virus was used to eradicate smallpox worldwide. Which of the following molecular marker technique used as a single primer in PCR reaction for identifying polymorphism between genotype? तो वो जाता है RAPD random amplified polymorphic DNA. देखिए अब RAPD है random amplified polymorphic DNA uses a single shot primer in PC and amplify a random region of genomic DNA identify polymorphism without prior sequence knowledge. SSR uses a specific primer Frankel microscope relative FLP require restriction digestion polymerase selective amplification with multiple primers. SCR uses a specific primer derived from non-polymorphic RAPD fragments since only RAPD employs a single primer. The correct answer is RAPD. Which experiment would best validate the bioremediation potential of microbial strain degradation oil speak in seawater? तो होता है monitoring oil concentration in system inoculator with micros versus and uninoculated systems. फिर देखो हार्मोन प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट वर्क by detecting the presence of the human colonic gonadotropin using in immunoassay. Which type of cells develop to produce HCG in pregnant female? तो आ जाती है ट्रोफोब्लास्ट सेल्स प्रोड्यूस करती है. फिर देखो ट्रोफोब्लास्ट cells are the first embryonic cells to differentiate after fertilization and later from the placenta. These cells produce HCG which support the corpus luteum in maintaining progesterone producing during early Pregnancy, pluripotency stem cell give rise to various cell type, but it do not directly produce SHG endometrial cells lines the uterus, but do not synthesize SHG. Granulosa cells are involved in the ovarian follicle development or hormone secretion, but not responsible for SHG production. Thus, the correct option is beautiful cells. फिर देखो which of the following technique can identify acetylation on licensed residue तथा mass spectrometry is the most suitable technique for identifying post-translational modification (PTMs) such as acetylation on licensed residue. AMS detects changes in molecular mass due to the acetylation and can determine the exact modified site SDS phase on only separate protein based on size does not provide molecular level modification details. Like scattering is used for analyzing molecular weight and segregation but cannot detect chemical modification. CD spectroscopy जो provide information on secondary scope does not identify specific modification. Thus, the correct answer is a mass spectroscopy. देखो पर a transmembrane receptor X on trans protein bound for the actin cytoskeleton over the expressed in cell fluorescent recovery after photobleaching frame. Experiment was performing on the protein. Which one of the following option will represent the most likely outcome? थोड़ा जाता है fluorescence of Y will be recovered later than X. जिसी के साथ ये आ जाता है पार्ट सी जो है वो हम नेक्स्ट के अंदर देखेंगे तब तक के लिए बाय बाय। शिफ्ट 1 का जो है ये